Hi, Mark from the Mark Deering team. Just wanted to show you real quickly how showing feedback works as a seller. Stay tuned for the video on how. Hello seller, you get to pick a few different things we got going here with setting up showings. When we set up showings for your home through different agents, you can either get a text message that all you have to do is reply yes, we'll accept the showing. You can receive an email, which maybe isn't the fastest way, but you can do that way also. Or you can get a phone call every time an agent would like to show your home. Once you can pick all three, or once you pick one of those, it'll be set up, and that's how you'll receive notification for a showing. We've got some other settings that we can pick. If you want some leeway, if you want 2 or 3 hour leeway before someone can show it so you have time to pick up, we can mark that. If there's dates that don't work for you, if you've got some birthdays coming up on certain dates and you don't want any showings that day, we can mark that on the calendar as well, and it'll be restricted and not be able to be shown then. Down here we're going to mark that we're going to do a iBox, which is an electronic box on your home. It's a real nice safe system. Anytime any agent accesses the box, we have notification of who it is and when they showed up. Once the showings are set up and we have a couple of our first showings, what happens is we get showing feedback. And this is what the showing feedback looks like. It gets sent to both you and I. And in this particular sample, it shows that the buyer was interested. It says somewhat interested. Currently we place in first place some other homes they have seen. And then they give us some comments here. So that's very helpful. We get probably about an 85% return rate on these surveys that get sent out. They're very helpful with us keeping track of what's going on, what people thought about as they went through. And then what you can do is you'll get other access points to where you can click on and see these things as in a pie chart. Out of all the showings we've had, how interested were they? What place did we come in? In this particular example, we had a lot of people say we're in first place. And then you can actually scroll down and see all of their comments as well. And then different ways for me to get back in touch with these people. So that's kind of it in a nutshell, how showings are set up. You have complete control on how they're set up, and we also are pretty thorough on how we get the feedback. So thanks for your time, and looking forward to selling your home.